Hey guys, we have the JBL FLIP 6 wireless Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we want to explain to you how to recharge the battery of this Bluetooth speaker. So first of all, how do you know when the battery of the speaker is low and it's supposed to be charged? So the main indicator for that are the LEDs at the top of the speaker here, close to the power and the Bluetooth buttons, and also here the charging port. So when this panel here is illuminated all the way, that means the speaker is fully charged, and as the battery discharges, then this bar will be less and less illuminated. And then also, when it is time to charge, the speaker is going to play like a very specific jingle every couple of minutes, indicating to you that you should start to charge the speaker. But now, how do we actually do this? And of course, the very simplest way is to use the supplied charging cable that came with the speaker. This is here a USB Type-C connector on the one end, and that plugs in right into the top of the speaker. And then we have here this regular USB-A connector, and this we're going to, for example, connect with the charging cube of our smartphone. So most people have this ready at hand, and the speaker doesn't come with its own charger, so this is one alternative that you can use. You can also use, for example, a laptop. So if you have a USB port on your computer, then you connect that with the speaker and it's going to charge it. One thing you should consider though is the amperage of your charging cube. This charging cube, for example, is only able to provide 1 amp, while the speaker would like to draw 3 amps. And that means when we're using this charging cube, the charging time will be a lot longer than if we had a more powerful charger. So in case you happen to have already a charger, a USB Type-C charger, for example from your laptop or from your Nintendo Switch, that has exactly this connector here, this USB Type-C connector, then you can use that also as well, instead of even using the charging cable that came with the speaker. And so I'm going to use this charging cable instead, and with that the charging time for full charge will be 2.5 hours. And now, while the charging is in progress, you can actually see the progress bar of the speaker here slowly increasing. So at this point you can see here the FLIP 6 battery here is almost full at this point. And just in case you're wondering, you are able to use the speaker while the battery is being charged. And it also is okay to keep the charging cable connected to the speaker after the battery is fully charged. And you know that the battery is fully charged when the battery indicator light here is turning off again. So of course this is only true when the speaker is turned off while it is being charged. Yeah, and once the battery is fully charged, we can just unplug the charging cable again. And we always want to make sure we're going to do this very carefully, especially when the connector here is plugged in, because the charging ports are in general relatively fragile. And when we handle a speaker while the charging cable is connected, it is possible that the charging port may be damaged, and that would be really bad for us in order to charge the battery in the future. And then I have one more piece of information regarding the charging port. Since the speaker is waterproof and we can use it in the water, before you plug in the charging cable, you want to make sure that there is no more water inside of the charging port. Okay, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.